saving.
Sir, only for normal we use and.
Only, yes, no, we can add for multiple things, but for normally, no, specifically for normal you cannot use multiply because it will change the color. So for normal you have to use add all the time. For rest of the things you can experiment with add, but it will add two colors, so it might
Okay, sir.
change the appearance. So add is basically addition. So if you
Hmm.
add like blue and green together, it will become more bluish. So you can add those things. If you multiply, it will become dark. So if you have two normal map, all the information stored in XYZ or RGB. If you multiply, the color will become dark. Will change the color. So it will create problem. Normal information change the normal information. The normal information you cannot change because it will based on that only it will create that output like that display, right? So it will change.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is something we cannot do. Done. Now go back here and now here. What happened? Why I'm not able to zoom in, zoom out? Okay. Why it's not going? Yeah. Oh, now it's okay, fine. So you can see I have the normal information, but it's very light, right? I want to make it stronger.
Hmm.
I could have big ambient occlusion also, so I can get nice prominent detail here. So let's do that quickly.
Sir, can't we just give a modifier like for strength of the normal?
Yes, of course, we can do that. We'll do it. That is something we can definitely. We're going to do it. High poly, low poly.
तो सर इनमें पहला केस में आपने बोला था ना वो डिस्प्लेसमेंट मैप यूज कर सकते हैं, तो वो सिचुएशन में भी ये नॉर्मल का स्ट्रेंथ मॉडिफायर कर सकते हैं क्या?
कर सकते हैं, बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. Low
Good
poly.
morning, sir.
Very good morning. High poly. And select your this thing. Full peak. Max. Output is target. Please save. Okay. I'm baking normal once again so that like normal and ambient align properly in case there's something change. That's why. It take little time, but it will bake everything. Ambient usually takes little time.
So we can bake in marmoset also.
Yes, we can bake everything in Marmoset. It's very fast. It's like it's a like it till date whatever any software I've seen, Marmoset is the fastest one. It bakes everything really quickly.
And so the quality and all.
Quality is very good. It's far better than
Okay.
Substance. P is for preview. If you click on this, okay, my recording is converting. That's why. So you can see everything is big, right? Done.
Yes, sir.
I don't want it. So I have an ambient occlusion map here also. So I just simply import it. Oh, import ambient occlusion. And
So which software do you usually use for baking?
for baking, like if I'm you like usually industry, we used to use like if there is like it's a complex model, then we used to use Maya for baking, or maybe or maybe for Marmoset. So Maya gives you very good quality normal map, like its baking is very good quality, but problem is Maya is very slow. Like just to bake this, it will take 20 minutes. So Maya is very slow. So that's why personally I don't prefer it. But how like professionally when you work for this thing, by that time quality is everything. So you have to make sure like give them best quality output. So that time we use Maya to generate everything. So I combine this thing and now my normal is here. So I'll just apply. I multiplied my ambient occlusion with this, so I'll get a better result, like because I get this that shadow, that ambient shadow nicely.
Yes, sir.
I could have used a smaller texture. It's a 8K map, that's why it's taking time. Okay, done. So it's like you can see, like you have little shadow, but it's still it's not that prominent, right? So I want to make it like very prominent. So now I'll go to my material. This is not required anymore. Normal. I just need to add a node to control the normal intensity. So that node is uh, flattened normal. Where is my oh, flattened normal. So you can use this thing. So this is your normal output, and this is the output of the entire this thing, and the control this flatness of normal, promote to parameter. So by default, keep it 1. So 1 is basically in whatever your the input, same output. Now you can increase, decrease this thing, but this works in reverse. It works in, I'll show this. It works in reverse. If you increase the value, it will reduce the normal. If you decrease the value, it will increase the normal intensity.
Okay, sir.
So you can see 1, so it becomes because I gave the value of 1, so it becomes 0. So I open it and switch on this flatness, and I have to reduce it. So it will make this thing little stronger, not that prominent, but little stronger. But if you want this thing to be really prominent, and to have the controller in like correct order, like it should be this thing, if you increase, it should increase. If you're decreasing, it should decrease. In that case, you have to invert this output, this input basically. Press 1 minus 1 minus, it's basically invert. This 1 minus is basically invert.
Yes, sir.
So now it's inverted. So if you increase it, it will increase. If you decrease, it will decrease. So like this, we can control the intensity of this thing. But suppose I want this design, this pattern, this thing should like intensity should be higher, even higher than this. So in that case, what I can do is I can just control W, duplicate this, add one more add, and connect this output here and connect this one here. So it doubled, and this is your output. And now you have a controller also. So basically, you using the same normal twice. So it become double. The intensity become double. Then save it and go back. And you can see now it's like it's because it's become double, and plus its intensity is really high. Now I have to control this thing because it's minus. I reduced it. You can see this is its default. Now if I increase, it will increase the intensity. Previously it was in minus. To increase the intensity and generate all the detail. And if you want, you can like modify this thing, and if you generate a texture also, if you want to generate a texture based on this, you can combine your texture with your tileable texture. So it's just a normal with tileable. And like suppose I want to increase the tiling of the base texture, I can add a node, UV coordinate, multiply, and a scalar parameter for tiling.
So what's the shortcut for UV coordinate?
U left mouse button. Press U and left click. It will generate this.
Okay.
And now this one is tiling for all the this this texture. So I'll connect this to all of them except my baked normal, and my baked AO. So like this, you can combine tileable map and non-tileable texture. And it's done. It's default, save.
Sir, basically tileable के लिए we apply the tiling and texture coordinate. Otherwise, बाकी सब is
Yes.
as it is.
So अभी ये tile नहीं होगा, only this will tile. So I can see, I can increase, decrease. I can increase, decrease, and create this tiling according to my requirement and fix this. But suppose still you feel okay, this depth should be a little bit more prominent. So what I'll do is I'll go to my main material, and this is my diffuse, right? So I'll add a multiply
Yes, sir.
node here and multiply this with my ambient occlusion. So this output plus this output multiplied with this, it will automatically generate that shadow in diffuse and create that depth.
Oh,
Now if you go here, you can see it become prominent.
yes, sir.
You can control this and create these things from this. So like if you want, you can change this thing. If you want to make this part only metal, you can do that. You need to have a mask only, or you can have a metal map and bring it here, connect it without tiling. So it will automatically work. Is it clear, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's clear.
So
Sir,
like,
एक doubt है. Sir, if I'm using trim sheets, sir, I'm actually thinking of using two trim sheets, like one for interiors and the props, and one for the wooden structure itself, like
Okay.
the building. So, sir, I have a doubt in how to bake, like, and how much detail to keep in the models.
Like if you're using trim sheet, make your model mid poly, not low poly. Because trim sheet, like basic idea of using trim sheet is you reducing the amount of texture maps basically, right? So you are using the same texture for most of the part and you are saving a lot of texture memory. So you can use that memory for model. So create a mid poly model with more detail and compensate with texture.
Okay.
Right?
And sir, okay. And sir, baking कैसे होगा? मतलब if trim sheet is already there as a texture, so do I still need to bake the model?
No, you don't need to bake model, but unless your model have very specific shape or it's creating some unwanted shadow or something, unwanted shading. In that case, you can bake a normal and connect it like this, like same like this. This is your trim sheet texture, and just add your normal texture with this and connect it to normal. So it will remove all those shading. Not clear. Okay, not clear. So basically, like you can combine normal maps. So trim sheet have flat normals or all the detailed normal. There is no more shaped normal detail, right? Every model have their specific shape. So according to that shape, if you bake a high poly to low poly, it will generate some shading to clear it off, to make it look smooth, right?
Yes, sir.
So that normal is not there. So for that, what I'll do, for trim sheet normal is here, and now I'll break a model specific normal if required. This is only and only if required. Then I'll connect it to add, and this add I'll connect to normal directly. So it will make things that. It will remove if there's any unwanted shading in your model. It will remove that and plus create this like detail properly.
Okay, sir. Sir, सर स्मूथिंग ग्रुप्स का क्या होगा फिर उसमें मतलब should I put appropriate smoothing groups or still go for single smoothing group?
If you are baking your high poly to low poly, like suppose you are creating an extra normal map, then no need of smoothing group. If you're not doing it, make sure you have proper smoothing group.
Okay, sir.
Like the basic funda. if you have a high poly to low poly normal map, like if you baked a normal map for that particular model, then there's
Yes,
no
sir.
need of smoothing group. If you don't have it, make
Okay.
sure you have like proper smoothing group. This is like a
Okay, sir.
standard formula for works for everything.
Hmm.
Okay.
And sir, how much time do we have left for this
One
project?
more week, one more week.
Sir, sir, how come one more week?
Arey, it's been almost, it's been 2 months.
सर 2 months पर बीच में 2 weeks तो हमारा गैप हो गया था ना सर, लोग कॉलेज में जब एग्जाम चल रहा था. सर
Yes, sir,
almost two
actually.
weeks ago you told us कि 5 weeks बचा है, तो I was working accordingly, sir.
नहीं, but like I checked the calendar. As per calendar included that thing, we have one more week left this week and next coming week.
सर उसमें तो नहीं हो पाएगा सर, बीच में तो 2 week गैप हो गया था सर, उसके वजह से बीच में.
But do we
Like-
complete? I guess we missed couple of classes, but पूरा gap नहीं
ओ
हुआ
सर
था.
पूरा गैप हो गया था सर,
सर 2 week का तो ऑलमोस्ट कंटिन्यूस था सर.
पूरा प्रॉप कंटिन्यूअस स्टॉप था सर.
So, but still, okay, maybe okay हो गया होगा, लेकिन but
तो
this
3 weeks तो लगेगा सर कंप्लीट करने में, अदरवाइज सर आउटपुट अच्छा नहीं आएगा सर.
तो बट अभी भी जो भी देखो, अभी भी जितना भी हमारा काम हुआ है, द अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क जितना हुआ है, वो 1.5 month के हिसाब से नहीं, उतना नहीं है ना, वो भी बहुत कम है.
यस सर.
सो वो ज्यादा करना पड़ेगा ना, तो वो इतना टाइम क्यों लग रहा है, दैट इज समथिंग आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. एक
सर
मॉडल
बहुत
बनाना
कुछ
है, मॉडल बनाना है,
ट्रिम
इंपोर्ट
शीट
करना है. हाँ,
figure out करना.
ट्रिम शीट में यूवी में टाइम लगेगा, तो बट सो वो हो जाना चाहिए ना, लाइक टिल नाउ, लाइक हमारा मॉडल, हमारा सेट फाइनलाइज हो गया था. आई रिमेम्बर, लाइक आई गेस फर्स्ट वीक वाज वेस्ट because we changed our all this set and everything, right? So okay, I'll ask like if possible we'll extend one more week, but हाँ, like I'm not sure because अभी इतना सारा क्लास है मेरे पास, so because मेरे पास बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है, so we'll see, like if possible
सर
we'll
3
extend it.
week सर, ये वीक मिला के अगर 3 week अगर हो जाएगा तो भी कंप्लीट हो जाएगा सर प्रॉपर.
Okay,
हाँ, sir.
I'll check. I'm not sure because अभी ये मेरे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, because लॉकडाउन है प्लस बहुत सारा क्लास है मेरे पास. I have like 6 क्लास मेरे पास till evening like 5 o'clock तक क्लास है. So मेरे पास
Sir.
बिल्कुल भी फ्री टाइम नहीं है. So and from next to next week I am supposed to start another batch. So okay, we'll see. Like okay, anyways we have next week. Let's see. We'll try it. If possible, we'll try to extend it. Okay, I cannot guarantee anything. I'll have to ask. We have a meeting
सर
today.
प्लीज 1 week एक्सटेंड करवा दो उसमें, मतलब सर इट विल मेक ऑल द डिफरेंस बिकॉज आउटपुट बहुत डिफरेंस आ जाएगा उतने में भी.
Okay, I'll ask. I cannot like
Thank you.
assure anything. Huh?
Yes,
So
sir.
and like the basic idea, like we still have 2 weeks, so we plan at least we have 2 weeks, like this week and next week we have it. So plan is from today onwards, like every Tuesday and every Thursday we can have doubt clearing session, where based on your doubts we can like I can, because Tuesday and Wednesday 12 o'clock I don't have any class, so I can extend the class.
Okay, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
we can have doubt clearing session. We can, based on your doubts, on your model, your issues and your things, we can discuss and solve everything so that we can speed up the process.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that is we can do, because Monday, Wednesday and Friday I have like back-to-back classes. There is no breathing space at all, so I cannot extend. So Tuesday and Thursday I can extend, so we can do that. So
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. So okay, yeah. So or other doubt, tell me like what else, like where you guys stuck, tell me, I'll give you a solution for that. Like this is,
Sir, actually, can I share my screen?
yes, just give me a minute. I will I'll just allow. Yes, you can share your screen now.
Yes, sir. Sir, you can see.
I can see.
हाँ सर, लाइक ये देखो सर, ये ब्रिक, ये जो मैंने टेक्सचर अप्लाई किया है सर, लाइक इट लुक्स सो फ्लैट सर, लाइक for some reason. आपने अभी जो ये जो बोला था ऐड करने के लिए, like वो भी किया मैंने. Like tiling ऐड किया इधर, and then I use the AO with the albedo to get that details, and also did this one, the normal multiplier, and it's still showing like this, sir. Like ये करने के बाद भी सर लाइक वो बहुत ही फ्लैट दिख रहा है सर. ये इंस्टेंस है सर, ये इतना बड़ा है, इसमें सर लाइक प्रॉपर डिटेल्स आ रहा है, बट सर यहाँ पर वो नहीं दिख रहा सर.
सो अरे पूरे सीन के अकॉर्डिंग लाइक कैमरा इतना क्लोजअप ऐसे भी नहीं जाएगा, राइट?
सर ये फ्रंट, ये लाइक फ्रंट डोर है सर. लाइक जो मैंने मेरा जो रेफरेंस इमेज है सर, राइट, उसमें लाइक फ्रंट का जो डोर है उसका क्लोजअप में एक रेंडर निकाला उसने. तो सर वो सेम रेंडर निकालने की कोशिश करता. सर लाइक इट विल बी वेरी क्लोज.
दैट्स अ प्रोडक्शन मॉडल. प्रोडक्शन मॉडल में व्हाट हैपेंस कि उसमें पूरा का पूरा जो पैटर्न है, डिजाइन है, इट्स इन मॉडल.
Yes sir.
हाँ, तो प्रोडक्शन में they use displacement plus they use a lot of mesh. हाँ, if you want you can add a displacement to this and fix it.
So but like if I don't want to use displacement, so this is basically just materially, I didn't bake that details on it.
हाँ.
So if I bake the details on it, will I get more prominent result? Like
what detail you want to bake? What detail you want to bake?
सर ये जो सर ये ब्रिक पैटर्न जो है ना सर, हाँ, लाइक तो ये अभी ये जो गैप्स वगैरह है, लाइक द ब्रिक comes up and the gap portion is inside, like तो वो difference है level का.
नहीं, वो it will look nice. Okay, like go to your map again, level.
Yes,
go to your level. So like once you apply everything and you have the basic scene, everything is ready, and you bake your lighting, it will look like a high poly only. It will look nice, clean.
Okay sir.
Max to max, what you can do is you can add a displacement, but that is something I do. Yes, for your personal portfolio, definitely you can use it. You can use it, and like depending upon your system, if your system can handle it. So okay, you can use it, but like for this kind of small part, I don't recommend to use it. If you can use, if you want to use for the landscape, like wherever you have those pebbles or the pathway and all those things, for those areas you can use it. That will give you a better result. Because this is like you have this wooden surface after this, and then you have a wall, right? So it will blend. You won't be able to see all those small detail anyways.
नहीं सर वो तो समझा. I'm just asking you sir, like ये जितना detail अभी दिख रहा है सर, ये is just by material manipulation, right?
Yes.
So if I apply the displacement map of the same material in ZBrush, and then I bake it on the low poly model, and then I apply this material on it, will there be any difference in the output, or will it be same?
Yes. No, it will increase the depth. It will increase the depth.
Okay.
If because baking like normals makes a huge difference in Unreal. If you have a specific normal for this model, it will give you better result than this.
Okay sir. Yeah.
If you bake, but make sure your this baking this tiling and the normal baking tiling matches.
Yes sir.
They need to match. So like read check how much you are tiling here. The same amount of tiling in Unreal, this thing also. What do you call it, in ZBrush also, and then then transfer it. Then you can like create nice detail. This thing.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have doubts.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Yes, you can share. Like Mridul, Srijan, and over there, what happened to your file? You guys not asking anything and not even showing anything. What happened?
Sir, I am kind of stuck in unwrapping.
Okay. So if you need any help, you can ask me. I'll explain like how to do it faster or something, or some process or something you want to know.
like I understand that unwrapping, I understand what is supposed to be done.
Hmm.
But the problem is that Doom, the top part, it has a lot of details, right? Like
Yes. Hmm.
some wavy patterns and all.
Yes.
So I took it to ZBrush, started to sculpt that wavy patterns, and when I brought it back, I had to decimate a lot of problems created in it.
Okay. Like okay, like if you want to share something, you can definitely share. Ask, like we'll solve those things. So like any problem, it can be anything. So like
Like the model is ready,
hmm.
everything is ready. I just have to clean up, and cleaning up that thing, it is kind of irritating.
Don't get irritated. It's fine. It's like if you spend good amount of time and if you're doing it right, so it should you should like end up with a very good quality final result. So don't need to worry about those things. ये क्या हुआ दिव्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तुमने
Just
okay.
so is it visible now?
Yes, it's visible.
So basically, एक तो ये part में doubt है कि how do I like go about these things? Like there's a lot of them. They're covering the logs also, and like यहाँ पे मुझे cloth simulation भी because this is acting like a cloth in game.
Okay.
So उसमें wind effect भी चाहिए तो सर उसमें mask भी चाहिए होगा. But plus it's covering all of these logs and all.
No, for those log that's not geometry. That's just either vertex paint or this thing.
But it
Uh,
is
like the corners are geometry. Like they have this geometry, right? Those geometry. You can see it's repeating. Same thing repeating again and again. It's clearly visible, so we can create that thing and apply it. So, like, what is the problem?
And sir इसको मैं trim sheet में तो नहीं डाल पाऊंगी ना मतलब I'll have to create it separately.
Not necessarily. Like we thing is, if we're planning for trim sheet, we have to create texture, generic texture, and top of this, all the details, all those like this moss and everything, we have to add in Unreal because trim
Okay.
sheet has need to be generic.
Yes, sir. What I'm thinking is I'll put this texture,
Hmm.
and for all of these logs and these and this thing or whatever wooden I have,
Hmm.
I'll put in one trim sheet.
Okay.
And I'm thinking interiors, I have all of these things, like all the props I'll put in one, like cloth and props and all of that, and floorboards.
Okay. How we can do it? It's fine.
Yes, sir. Because I saw all of this. This is like one tile only repeating 5 times
Repeating.
in
Yes.
the.
Hmm.
And sir, what about this thing? So this also will need a separate texture of its own, right?
Yes, it's alpha plane.
Okay.
Either you can use a alpha plane or you can use a decal map for this.
Oh, but decal map से बनाना पड़ेगा ना मतलब this will not.
हाँ obviously बनाना पड़ेगा.
तो ये plane पे ही तो लगेगा ना पर decal map भी.
नहीं, decal directly model पे लगेगा. Decal map don't need any geometry. You can just simply drag down and project on any surface.
Okay.
उसके
So
लिए
it can project on this surface, you're saying.
हाँ, directly on
Okay,
this
sir.
surface you can project it. So decal map saves a lot of polygons. It's just a texture.
Okay. ठीक है सर. सर मेरा poly count बहुत ऊपर नहीं जाएगा मतलब it's already like most of it is modular like one of this log and one is this like it's basically 14-15 like smaller assets that needs to be repeated all
Yes,
over.
that's the whole idea. Like if you use trim sheet, you can create nice quality model and then repeat it again and again. So it will save a lot of
Sir.
polygons.
Okay, sir. But sir, इसमें मतलब it has a lot of work and all without all of this details, sir.
So
Time
that
चाहिए थोड़ा इसके लिए.
but that's what I'm saying. It's been 2-3 weeks. You are saying the same thing. Where is the output? That's what I'm asking.
समझ नहीं आ रहा. It's very intimidating, sir.
So that's what I'm asking. क्या समझ में नहीं आ रहा? Tell me. I'll
सर एक स्टेप
explain.
के बाद दूसरा स्टेप कौन सा जाए like I am currently I have modeled all of this
हाँ.
like with proper proportions and proper placement. So I have the placeholders for it. I have the low poly models for all of it.
So
But the next step,
start placing everything in Unreal and start texturing.
okay.
Okay, okay, I'll
And
just
then
show.
what about so there's this water body in
Hmm.
my scene.
Hmm.
Where is it? So basically, I am placing a river, and this wheel is going to be there too.
Hmm.
So, sir, how do I like? इसका भी simulation चाहिएगा, like it will be moving.
Moving, huh? So we need to create an animation for this.
Okay. So
It
ये
should-
तो simple ही होगा ना, sir? It's basic rotation.
A basic rotation, very simple. It's very simple. Key animation, you have to use a key animation, rotate and key, rotate, key. That's it.
Okay, sir, आप बता देंगे एक बार ये
हाँ
वाला
बिल्कुल
भी.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
और सर इसमें basically there's this ponds, like इसमें this is basically a lotus farm, so there are these ponds. Sir, how is like what would you say is the best way to generate these water bodies?
With that water tool we have in Unreal.
Okay, sir, but उसमें तो problem आ रहा था ना वो mountain
तो
वगैरह.
उसके लिए वो फॉल ऑफ रिड्यूस करना पड़ेगा ना, कंट्रोल करना पड़ेगा.
Okay.
It have all the options, like right side में there are all the properties. You just like you have to control those properties.
Okay. और सर बेसिकली ये जितने भी मैंने इन गेम फार्म स्टेड ये सब देखे, सर इसमें there's like all of these buildings are in a single place, like this is there, then there's like smaller buildings like these. So should I focus on only one or two, or should I make more?
You can okay. Thing is like a modular piece, how it works, you can combine multiple modular piece and generate multiple shapes.
Yes, sir.
So it works like this. Like you
तो
can
फिर
create-
इसके लिए तो अलग बनाना पड़ेगा ना सर?
तो इसके लिए से this roof wala thing is you can repeat it. All moss and wooden blocks, and you already have all those wooden planks, and repeat and create it within Unreal. So you don't have to model this thing in Max. You can do it in Unreal directly.
Okay, sir. Sir, so ये इसके लिए should I make a single texture for all of these? Like one will be here, one this unit and this unit and all of this.
Like one texture repeating everywhere. Yes, with alpha.
With alpha. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. That's about it.
सर एक और डाउट था.
हम
सर वो कोलिजन का एक बार आप बता के दे सकते हैं क्या, लाइक बिकॉज सर मेरे को लाइक मेरा रूम का इंटीरियर का साइज चेक करने के लिए या इंटीरियर का मॉडिफिकेशन करने के लिए अंदर एक बार जाके देखना पड़ता है, बट लाइक बिकॉज ऑफ द कोलिजन आई कैन नॉट गो इनसाइड.
Okay, so what you have to do is double click, open your model for collision, like, and scroll down. You have a collision option. By default, it's in project default. Just switch to use complex collision as simple collision. That's it.
Okay.
That's done. It's done. And then save it. That's it you have to do.
Sir, I was like changing it from the collision option above, sir, like to the.
इधर okay, हाँ यहाँ पे option है ना
sir,
collision. हाँ, so it would work. You have to change this.
So नहीं वहाँ से नहीं सर, इधर ये जो बाउंड है ना सर, ग्रिड है ना, ग्रिड उसके बाजू में कोलिजन का ऑप्शन.
इधर ये
हाँ सर वो वाला.
हाँ, it won't work. It's show collision, like simple and complex. बस it will
वो
show.
just preview है. Okay.
No, it will show whatever it's there already. So if you use a simple collision, it will be a box. Let's see. See, I'll just use this thing now. Simple. You can see it's just a box.
Yes, sir.
Solid box. So you cannot pass through. And if I change this to complex, you can see it's a complex model now. Now I can go through this thing.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, इससे भी file size पे कुछ वो पड़ता है क्या?
ये पड़ता है. So for games we create collision mesh. Like we don't use automated generated thing because it's basically what it's doing. It's duplicating the same model. So if I want to create this, what I'll do is I'll just simply like keep this hole and create a box. That's it.
Yes,
no design, no pattern, no detail, because you cannot those parts are not in non-interactive. So only this section, this doorway passway is your interactive part. So for this thing you need to create a collision, rest can be a box.
Yes.
Right now it's duplicating
सिर्फ
everything.
पर्सनल प्रोजेक्ट तो इसको डायरेक्टली यूज कर सकते हैं
हाँ,
ना?
personal project is fine. Like anyway, this is not part of our job. This is like game designers do, and if the company they will ask to create you a collision mesh, there will be cases. So that time, what you have to do is based on the shape, like interactive part. This is the interactive part. Keep this geometry, and rest can be a solid block. Like okay, I'll show
Okay.
this. Like it's really easy. I guess I have. Like this one. This one is my, suppose this is my model. Suppose this is my model. I want to create a collision mesh for this. So what I'll do is I just simply create this whole cylinder. This cap like this, vertex, to face, delete it, reverse normal. This base, there's nothing, so I'll delete. And this, and max to max, this part is anyways underground. If I want to like match it, I just simply match it like this, and bus select this border, remove this and this, extrude it. This will be my collision. So it's, you can see it saves a lot of polygons. This is only 100 tries, and this one is like way too much. And this is also, if I want, I can optimize this. Like collision is supposed something is just a mesh to block your character. That's it. So it can be just a box, and make sure like all these unwanted things are not there. Then close this thing, and collapse this, all these things. Reduce everything. This also can reduce this. Collision is a really low poly model, really low poly model. It's like less, even lesser than your blocking. It almost a box, just have enough space to character to interact. That's it. This will be a low poly
Yes.
model. You block this section also, and then it's done. That's it. This is, and if you want, you can see there is an option in Unreal complex collision model. You can apply your own model, import your collision model and apply it here. So it will generate that
Okay.
based on your low poly. So it will create this thing super easily. It will reduce and optimize the entire model. That's what you're supposed to do. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What else?
हाँ सर और कुछ
Or kuch?
That's about it for now.
Okay.